The Haier 3-in-1 portable air conditioner emerges as a compelling solution for those seeking effective and versatile climate controls in medium-sized rooms. Boasting a robust cooling capacity of 13,500 ASHRAE BTUs, 9,700 SACC. This appliance combines air conditioning, fan modes, and dehumidifying capabilities to cater to diverse home comfort needs. With user-friendly features like auto-evaporation technology and easy window installation, it brings convenience to the forefront. In this review, we delve into the key attributes of this portable AC, exploring its design, functionality, and performance to provide insights into its potential as a reliable and adaptable cooling solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cooling performance. This air conditioner boasts a substantial cooling capacity, delivering 13,500 ASHRAE BTUs, 9,700 SACC. This makes it highly effective for cooling medium-sized rooms of up to 550 square feet, ensuring a comfortable environment during warm seasons. Number 2. Versatile functionality. One of its standout features is its 3-in-1 functionality, combining air conditioning, fan modes, and dehumidifying capability. This versatility allows users to tailor their home climate according to their preferences, providing optimal comfort. Number 3. Auto-evaporation technology. The inclusion of auto-evaporation technology is a significant convenience. Under typical room conditions, the air conditioner efficiently evaporates collected water, eliminating the need for manual drainage. This feature adds to the user-friendly design and hassle-free maintenance. Number 4. Easy window installation. This air conditioner comes with a window installation kit, facilitating a straightforward setup process. It easily installs in double-hung or sliding windows, and the user won't need to engage in any cutting, simplifying the installation for a wider range of users. Number 5. Digital controls with remote. The LED digital controls provide an intuitive interface for managing settings, and the included remote adds convenience by allowing users to control the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. This feature enhances user experience, providing flexibility and ease of use. Number 6. Energy efficiency. With a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 2.6, this air conditioner demonstrates a reasonable level of energy efficiency. It strikes a balance between effective cooling and energy conservation, contributing to cost savings in the long run. Number 7. Low noise operation. Operating at a noise level of 55 decibels, this air conditioner provides a relatively quiet performance. This is especially beneficial for maintaining a peaceful indoor environment, ensuring that the cooling process doesn't disrupt daily activities. Number 8. Environmentally friendly refrigerant. Utilizing R410A refrigerant, this air conditioner aligns with modern environmental standards. This refrigerant is known for its lower environmental impact, making the appliance more eco-friendly. Number 9. Reliable power source. Powered by corded electric, this air conditioner offers a reliable and consistent power source. This ensures uninterrupted cooling performance, making it a dependable solution for homes seeking consistent comfort. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 15.35 inches depth by 18.5 inches width by 32 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Haier 3-in-1 portable air conditioner establishes itself as a commendable choice for those in pursuit of effective and flexible cooling solutions. With its substantial cooling power, versatile 3-in-1 functionality, and user-friendly features like auto-evaporation technology and easy window installation, it addresses the diverse needs of medium-sized rooms. The compact design, low noise operation, and environmentally friendly refrigerant further contribute to its appeal. Whether aiming for optimal comfort or efficient energy use, this air conditioner strikes a balance, making it a reliable and user-centric addition to any home seeking a comfortable and climate-controlled environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.